users in Sparkflows. I'm in the administration screen and logged in as an admin user. Here I can see that there are a number of users existing in the system. I can go ahead and create a new user by giving the first name, last name, username, and password. A user can be assigned different roles, for example, admin, analyst, or data scientist. Sparkflows allows to create any number of roles with different permissions. A user can be assigned to different groups, and also a user can be given a persona, for example, a business user persona or analytics user persona. I can also go ahead and edit an existing user. For example, if I want to change the group of a user or the role associated with a user or persona, that can be done in the edit user page. So once the users are created, they can log in with a username and password and start using Sparkflows.